Hello friends, I want to be fluent in English speaking, but words do not come out of my mouth when I try to speak English language. This is the problem with most of the English language speakers, especially those who are non-native. Those willing to improve their English language, they face such kind of problems. And how can we get rid of these problems? I will talk about this ahead in this video. So please stay with me in this video, watch till end. Actually, when we lack the practice, there are so many people, those do not do the practice on daily basis. This is the main reason that they have the vocabulary, they have read a lot of articles in English language. When they read, they can understand what is written. When they listen, they can understand what other person is saying, especially when they listen to their native accent speakers. But when they try to speak, they fail at that moment because they don't do the practice of speaking English language. And you know that without practice, one can't speak the English language. For speaking the language, practice is required. You have seen some uneducated people, when they go out from their country, when they go out in foreign for job, for some other purposes, and they stay there for a long time. When after 2 or 3 years they come back to their native country, they speak the language of that country, not thoroughly, but a little sentences they are able to speak. Why? Because they live in that environment where they try to speak the language with those people. They listen people talking in their language, they imbibe those things, then they try to speak. If they only listen, if they only try to read, then they can't speak the English language. For speaking, this is the experiment, and most of the speakers of English language, those right now speak very good English language. They say that practice is necessary. If you have lot of words in your mind, lot of sentences in your mind, you are reading on daily basis, you are listening videos, watching English language videos on daily basis, but you yourself not doing the practice, then you can't speak the English language. For speaking the language or improving any language, this is must to do the practice. I myself facing in my previous time such kind of problems, because where there I am living, nobody available with whom I could make the practice of English language. So I always used to read the books, memorize the difficult words and their meanings, and I was always filling my vocabulary, but I was not doing the practice of speaking language. That is the reason that sometime I also feel some kinds of problems while speaking the language, because I did not find any kind of speaking partner at that time. So I did my lot of efforts to read the books, spoken English language books, to make myself able to utter some things in English language. So right now I also have lot of stuff in my mind, difficult words and their meanings, but I am not putting all those words into sentences because of that previous time lack of practice of spoken English language. So when you miss your practice, this is the great problem for you when it comes to speak the language. I think, and I am also watching some non-native English speakers on social media. Those are speaking very good English language, as English is not their first language. English is their second language. And some people have the problems that they are curious to learn the English language, but they don't have the platform. In previous time, right now platform is available in the form of social media, but in previous time people faced problems. If they were willing to improve their English language, they did not find any kind of platform at that time. Right now, as I told you, that platform is available. Social media is the great platform. Your cell phone in your hand is your speaking partner. With the help of this cell phone, you can improve your English language. You can make your friends around the world, those know the English language, whether they are native or non-native. I think I suggest you that make non-native English speakers, make friends, those are non-native. English is not their first language. They are also learning the English language. In this way, you both will improve English language. Make conversation with each other through social media, through voice messages. Send your voice messages to that friend. That friend will send you his voice message. In this way, you will improve your English language and you will understand each other's accents, because sometimes we face problems while understanding the accents, because my speaking accent is different, your speaking accent is different. But I think no matter our accents are different, but our words, our sentences, our language should be understandable. If I am speaking in this style and you, those who are watching my video, you are understanding whatever I am saying, it means that my accent is okay. No need to make styles in my accent like native speakers. When I try to copy the accent of those, I will forget my own accent also. So, speak your own accent, but speak in good way, in good manner, gradually, slowly, automatically. One day your accent will be improved and you will speak like native English language speakers. So, accent does not matter. The main thing is the words, the intonation. Intonation is very important. When you pronounce words in proper way that others are understanding, they are not facing problems while understanding whatever you are saying, then I think it's okay. So, this is my suggestion to you, that if you want to improve your English language, if you want to become master in this language, don't feel that speaking fast is a good thing. No, no, no. Speak slowly, but in understandable way. Don't copy others. Those are speaking very fast, because English is their first language. That's the reason they are speaking very fast. But if you want to teach others, you are speaking very fast. Those who are beginner in English language will face the problems while understanding whatever you are saying. So, if you are teaching the students, then you will have to speak slow English language, slow and very precise, very good English. so that the beginners would understand you easily. Otherwise, they will face problems and they will quit your video. When you will speak in good manner, slowly, in understandable way, then all non-native speakers would like you, would love you, because those who are the beginners are understanding you. When you will speak very fast, the beginners will not understand you. Those who are learning English at advanced level can understand you, but those who are beginners can't understand you when you speak very fast. So accept my suggestions and try to speak English language. Whatever words you have kept in your memory, speak out those words, and when you will do the practice, slowly the words would automatically come out of your mouth. In this way you will improve your English language and the hesitation of speaking, because some people feel hesitation while speaking the English language. So remove your hesitation. Don't feel shy while speaking the English language. If you make mistakes, no matter, this is not your first language, this is your second language and you are improving this language. One day you will correct all these mistakes. In this way you will improve your English language at best level. Hope you find this video very useful. Please allow me from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.